Alright, it's Eric, my channel Cajun Blade. I got this Torrey I used in the last shave video. It was on a conical. Just a good example of an American-made razor. Custom tape on the spine. That's how I've been honing this razor. So today I'm going to take it. It had a conical edge on it, and it's never cooperated with me with a conical edge. I keep trying because I enjoy it, but I'm going to go ahead and reset it on what it works best with on Jnat. And to do so, I got this this King 1/6. The 1K side's not my favorite, but the 6 side is a really good stone. I think it has range for a 6K. I think you can put a heavy slurry on it and do, you know, a good bit of work and into water where I think it exceeds a 6, but that's my opinion. But usually on the road, this is what I start with when I reset one. Okay, I wasn't soaking it. I had to fill the sink, just damping in the stone. So in this case, I want to restart. So I'm just gonna refresh the surface a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna join the edge on the 1K side. All right, and I'm gonna just do what I normally do on this stone. Hope everybody's doing well today. I'll show you this thing in the morning. Hopefully it cooperates. I'm at roughly 40 circles on this thing. So I do enjoy the Torrey razors. This is a little, I would call it 11/16, a little greater than 5/8. We'll check it here in a minute on a little packing peanut to see if I have an apex again before I go to Jnat. I hear some negative on this stone. I know a lot of people that use it. I'd rather nanos. I can't say that I'd rather all my Shaptons over it, but I'll say in general, if you're looking for a low-priced option, this is a decent one. All right. That's not a refined edge yet. Just pushing in okay. Of course, we're not expecting to refine here. I know guys that shave off of this 6K you've seen on video. That's not what I'm doing here. I'm just restarting. I don't have a full nano progression on me, so I want to get a decent amount of work, try to simulate as much as far as I can into that kind of progression with this this cane. So basically hoping I get to at least 6K. Moving my pressure around here, heel 2. The one case item here is a soaker. Takes a lot of soaking. It's very thirsty. And it's not the, I wouldn't say it cuts as good as a 1K should. It's not there near as fast as a Shapton 1.5, a Shapton 1000, or Chosera 1000. Not even remotely close. Doesn't have quite as good a feel either. All right. I build a maybe not quite 2% milk. Same thing. Egg strokes are kind of rolling. Heel 2. So I'm not worried about light pressure yet. I haven't near got to that point. This little stone here, it's not soft enough really to bring a razor without Rotan up from a bevel set, but it is a fine polisher. Works good coming off a 3K or 5K. Works really good just on water off a 8K. And that's what I've been using. Medium pressure right there. I like where I'm at right there. All right. Okay, this slurry will be considerably lighter than the last one. too much water there. You see how that slurry I was almost kind of spent. This one here, less slurry, but yet more effective. Try to get some fluid off the stone to better gauge what I'm doing a little bit better. Minimum fluid on the stone. All right. This ain't a testament to my honing skills. This is a what you call a really good Jnat. All right. I got a real hard shobu right here. Does a good job on the finish. When you see Alex Gilmore ripping through a Jnat and honing, and the whole video is 7 minutes long. I never had no Jnat that could accomplish that. Just a testament to how good a stones he's got. And that changed when I got this one. This is water. Okay, so I'm gonna go back with a little slurry because I don't like where the heel was at on my return stroke. And I don't want to increase pressure, so I'll let the slurry do the work for me. There we go. So I'm not increasing pressure. I'm still on the light pressure side. I just increase my slurry. That's a little bit better. feedback is changing a little bit right here, so whatever that tells you. I don't see some bubbles. Okay. Because it's getting more violet. Spawn getting strokes. Okay, I'm gonna finish. I want 10 short strokes. All right. Right, make a little pass on manual. You can see that. No issue. All right, we're gonna shave with that in the morning, so we'll see how it goes. That's the ultimate shave test. This is Eric for Cajun Blade. Thank you for joining me. I'm out.